Now we will continue with multiplication of a decimal number by a decimal number. In this we have 3 steps. First step is nothing but step 1 is ignore the decimals and multiply the numbers. Already I have said when you multiply a decimal numbers with a decimal number, you just ignore this. அதாவது number the decimal number ignore பண்ணினோம். So you need to multiply 35 into 38. Then count the number of decimal places in each decimal number and add them. In both the decimal number, how many decimal places are there? Here 1, here also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So in the product you need to have 2 decimal places. Understood, students? Starting from the extreme right in the product towards left, count the number of digits according to step 2 and place the decimal point. You just need to count the decimal points in this part 2, in the step 2, and then according to that you need to keep it in the product. If it is 2, if it is only one decimal point after this, you need to keep only 1. You will just see the examples. You will try to understand it. See here. Solve 45.68 into 3.5. First step what I have said, you just omit the decimal point and multiply the numbers. So you are just omitting 4568 into 35. You are just removing the decimals. Now if you multiply 159,880. Now you are getting this answer when you multiply. Now the second step is find out the total number of decimal places. See here, in the first one 45.68, how many decimal places are there? 1, 2. So 2 decimal places. After decimal, how many digits are there? Only 2. Here after decimal, how many digits are there? Only 1. You need to add both. So 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3 decimal place. Understood, students? Now in the product, what you need to do? The product is here 159,880. Understood, students? Now just move to the right of the product. Ida right. Right la irka product ku poitu what you need to do? 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. So 3. Understood, students? இப்போ என்ன நம்பர் we are multiplying, நம்பரில் எத்தனை decimal places இருக்கோ அதே தான் you need to have it in the product also. Understood, students? See, check it out here. Here in the after decimal point you have 2, 1. So 3. Here also you are having 3. So in the number, in multiplication as well as in the product, you need to have the same decimal places. Just remember, you need to move to the right corner க்கு போயிட்டு அங்கிருந்து you need to move to the left. Whereas in into 10 what I said, here I am saying 3.80. How you will do in into 10? How you will do, students? How you will do this 3.8 into 10? Here only one number is there, one zero is there, so you need to move only once. How you will move? Just move to the right. So 38.0. Understood, students? You need to move to the right, whereas in normal multiplication you just move to the right and then shift it to the point வந்து எப்படி வரணும்? லெஃப்ட்ல இருந்து வைக்கணும். Okay, students? Understood? Now we will see the next example. See the example here, 3.947 into 2.45. 2.45. You just ignore the decimal and just multiply like this. You will get an answer. Now what you need to do in the second step, just count after decimal how many digits are there. Here 3, here 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. In the product, how many decimals should be there? Decimal places. See here. What is the product we have? 967015. So what I have said, 5. Just move to the right. Right நம்பரோட கடைசி நம்பர், ஒரு நம்பரோட கடைசி டிஜிட்டுக்கு போயிடுங்க. கடைசி டிஜிட் வந்து 5. ஸோ ஜஸ்ட் கவுண்ட் ஹியர் 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ஸோ இது 5 இருக்குது. 5க்கு அப்புறம் தான் யூ நீட் டு கீப் அ பாயிண்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ தி ஆன்சர் இஸ் 9.67015. Understood, students? After the decimal point you need to have 7 digits because when you multiply both you are getting 7 decimal places. See here, understood? See here in multiplication also after decimal you have 3 digits, you have 2 digits here, so totally 5 digits in the product also. Now we will see the next examples of the practice zone. See an example here. Sheena weighs 35.678 kg. Her mother is 1.75 times heavier than her. Find her mother's weight. So you need to multiply directly. Now just remove the decimal point and multiply, then add this. After decimal, how many numbers are there in 35.678? 3 is there. Here 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. So in the product you need to have 6, 2, 4, 3, 6, 5. Understood, students? So in the product, just count here 1 2 3 4 5. Here you need to keep a point. That's all. We'll see the another examples here. 85.6 into 6.8. Now how you will multiply? You just remove the decimal point and multiply as 856 into 68. You just multiply directly. If you multiply, the answer will be 582. The answer will be 582.08. 582.08. Sorry, 08. Now see, after decimal, here only one digit is here also one digit. So 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So you need to have two decimal points in the product. Now move to the right. 1 2. So the point will be here. So the answer will be 582.08. Understood, students? That's all about this. Now we will just see the practice zone questions. In practice zone, try to solve the practice zone. That is first question. Now we will see the second question alone. The bus covers 72.5 kilometer in 1 hour. How much distance can it cover in 15 hours? So what you need to do? You will multiply or divide. You need to multiply. Okay, students. So you need to multiply 72.5 kilometer into 15 hours. Just multiply and just find out the answer. Try to solve the practice zone 6. That is first question. In first question we have four questions. That is A, B, C, D. Try to solve this and attach in a sheet of a paper. Attach the answer and the second one also. That is that bus covers before one which I said. And try to see this video fully. If not able to understand, repeat the video twice or thrice and see, students. Try to complete all your assignments. And one more topic we have in this lesson is division of a decimal number, division of a decimals. With that, this lesson is over, and try to attend the activity also. Thank you, students.